welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and today I'm not going to do a cook, but stick around. I mean, I got a lot of stuff going on this year at Man Kitchen Recipes. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, I think 4 or 5 new cooking items, things to cook with. And I put up a pergola over here. Here, let me just show you. I put up a pergola over here earlier when it was a nicer day in the winter, but I'm taking it down. And I'm gonna put up this. So this is another pergola, but it matches my grilling area. We were over at Sam's Club the other day. They had my grilling area there. It was an extra $300. And then they had these pergolas that I'm currently working on, and that's what we're putting up. So we're going to have one here, and we've got them all over there. We're going to put one on that side as well. So everything back here will match. There it is. One down, one to go. Okay, so there you go. There's the second one up. The only thing I have left to do with both of these is to put some pro panel roofing on the top so that we have complete shade on both sides. So that'll be what you see next, coming up right about now. Here is the one pergola. We put some pro panel up there for some shade. And over here is the other pergola. And that has the pro panel as well. And we left a gap in the middle. Don't ask me why. I'd imagine we'll eventually connect them. But for now, we got some shade, and you know, right now these are empty. So you know what that means. We're gonna have to get some sort of furniture going, some tables, something. Anyway, there you go. Man Kitchen Recipes is ready for some family events. Part of the other stuff that's going on here at Man Kitchen Recipes, our nephew, they bought a home, and when they went to move in over there, the owner left 2 offset smokers. One's a char grill and one's an old rusty one. And he said I could have one. So he wanted me to come over and pick which one we wanted. So check these out and you tell me which one you would pick. Okay, so here we are over at my nephew's, and he's got an old char griller right here. That's one of the offsets that was left. And then he got this old rusty one here. And according to the previous owner, he said this old rusty one is a lot better cooker than the other one. Doesn't look like he's used it in a while. Anyway, it's got charcoal in there. It's a mess. So anyway, which one would you pick? The char griller or the rusty one? Or the rusty one. Okay, which one did you pick? The old rusty one or the char grill? Newer one. It's still old, but you saw them both. Let me know down below which one you picked. So which one do you think I picked? Which one do you think my wife picked? She told me to pick this one. Check it out. Yep, that's right. My wife told me to pick old Rusty here. So it is here in the backyard. It's behind my pit boss. We just put it here for now. You know, it's got some work to do on it. There it is. And what we figured out in the sunshine, I'm not sure this will pick up on camera, probably not, but it says smoke and pit, and then it says professional over here. And this, from doing a Google search, this is a Brinkmann, and Brinkmann doesn't make these offset smokers anymore. This is probably 10 to 15 years old, nice and rusty. I guess that was one of the issues with these. They rusted fairly quick, but they're made of solid steel, and these ends are welded. So we're going to play with this. I'm sure you'll see a cook or two on it. I probably won't use it a whole lot, but you never know. Before you make a decision on what you would do with it, here's another look at it. I cleaned it all out. Got all the ashes out of it, got all the charcoal out of the firebox, and put one of the grates in there that should have been in there that wasn't. And yeah, it's rusty, it's old. I know it's not the best offset. It's probably one of the cheapest ones you could have got back in the day, but hey, it could be fun. Let us know. Okay, did you pick the char grill or this old rusty one? Which one did you pick for me? My wife actually picked that one out. She said it had more character, and I'll tell you what, this thing is probably about 30 pounds heavier than that char grill. Now, so more opinions here. You think I should leave it all nice and rusty and rustic looking, or should I get the wire brush to it, get it all cleaned up, repaint it, and make it look new? Or, of course, there's always a third option. Send it to the junkyard, okay? So what are we gonna do? We're gonna fix it up, leave it rusty, use it, or just give it away or send it to the junkyard? What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Like I said, I'm upgrading my pellet grill. I have a pit barrel smoker coming that my brother-in-law is making for me. He's actually gonna get it to me this year. So. And I've got a company sending me an air fryer, something I don't have, and something, well, you know, I'll use it. We'll review it. And what else we got going on? We got this pit here. So anyway, lots of exciting stuff. Hope you stick with me through the journey. Leave the comments below on what you would do with this Brinkmann Smoking Pit Professional. And hey, I'll take all your advice into consideration, and we'll see what I do with it. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.